Welcome, today in front of me TCL 306 and I'll show you how to unblock numbers on this device. So first you should go into the phone application, and after that click here on the right upper corner on the smart icons. You then click here into the settings and tap to the block numbers. Here we can set as to block numbers, and now just to unblock one from them, click here on the 6 icon and just confirm your action by click here again to unblock. And here we can set as our number unblocked successfully. By the same way, click here on this X icon and click to unblock if you want to unblock all of the numbers here, for example. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.